Hey guys, welcome to Mesmerize. This is Vidisha Banerjee, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please subscribe to my channel. Subscription is completely free. I make videos related to beauty, fashion, lifestyle, vlogging, cooking, visiting places. I do visit a lot of places, so do subscribe to my channel. Subscription is completely free. I do visit a lot of places, guys, with my family on vacations, and this time I am also going to visit a place on a vacation. The place I won't disclose. You will see, guys, on my vlogs, so stay tuned. I will be putting on vlogs on my vacations, so stay connected. Do subscribe. When you think about vacations, the first thing that comes to our mind is packing, right? Packing is fun as well as a very important thing and very sort of a little bit headache for us if we are busy in your day-to-day life and we get hardly any time to pack our clothes and items for a vacation. And talking about packing, carrying lots of items such as shampoos and soaps and body lotions, body washes separately is a complete mess. For that, travel bath kit is a just ultimate solution to all problems. If you don't want to carry shampoos, soaps and everything separately, go for a travel bath kit. Last few months back, I went to North Sikkim with my family and I bought this Aroma Magic Blossom Couture collection. It comes in three variants. One is the plum one, the other one is the orange one, and the third one is the jasmine one. Yes, and if you know me, guys, I'm always addicted to orange smell of orange, if I'm right. So I bought the orange blossom couture collection from Aroma Magic. It retails for rupees 150. I bought it from Nika. Then a discount was going on, so I got it at rupees 135. This travel bath kit collection is awesome, guys. You just have to spend rupees 135 and you are getting four items. You are getting a soap. It is a 30-gram soap. Then you are getting three items which are of 20 gram each or 20 ml each. One is a shampoo, other one is a body lotion, and a third one is a body wash. So only for rupees 135 you are getting a very nice and very good looking sort of travel bath kit that is absolutely complete solution to everything. You don't have to carry shampoos and everything separately, right? And it requires very less amount of space also. I have carried it. I have carried it to Gangtok and North Sikkim on my tour, and it is awesome, guys. I have used it there, and it's still left, and I am still going to carry it to my next vacation. So think about it. It is awesome. It is just simply beautiful and awesome. The smell, guys, I am really addicted to the smell or the fragrance of oranges, and it really smells like fresh orange pulp. I hope you can get it what I'm trying to say. It smells awesome. The soap is very nice and it lasts you so long. And the body lotion, I generally use the body lotion as it is only 20 ml. So I use it as a hand lotion and it serves the best being a hand lotion to me. The shampoo I've tried, it's very nice. I have oily scalp and dry hair. It goes best with me, and I bet you guys if you have dry hair or dry scalp too, it's gonna fit you. The body wash is just perfect. It feels like it doesn't feels like soap. It is very foamy and it has all, as I mentioned, it has very nice fragrance and it is not at all harsh to your skin. So overall the collection, the whole pack is just a steal deal, guys. For rupees 135 or 150 you have to buy it. So if you're planning a vacation, do buy this. If you love the fragrance of orange, buy orange or jasmine or the plum collection. I'm looking forward to buy the plum collection too. I hope this video has helped you guys. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Soon I'm going to come up with my vlog, so stay tuned. Do subscribe to my channel. Subscription is completely free. Share my video with your friends and family. Stay happy, stay beautiful, and enjoy your life. Bye, signing off.